Moi, je suis sorti Soleil et c'est un plaisir pour moi de participer dans Haiti Coding Workshop. Déjà, nous apprenons en pile et nous commençons capables de créer des... En fait, je commence pour nous créer des applications et créer des sites internet. Et je dis là, nous avons commencé avec JavaScript là, qui est totalement intéressant, côté que nous avons essayé de créer un espace loterie. Donc nous créons tout, un bon réseau, parce que les jeunes qui ont essayé d'apprendre ensemble avec nous, ça a créé un pile partage, ça a créé solidarité, ça a créé entraide.
This coding workshop was a great thing done by Esterling Accime, who's actually from this place himself. And he was able to leave Haiti and go study at Georgia Tech in the US, where he had a lot of success. And he came back to Haiti to give us this workshop.
Premier bagay que m'te joine, te gon réunion que t'as fait qui est le Haiti Tech Summit.
And one thing I've seen so far is the amount of efforts and work, dedication and time they put into this. There are some of them that make the sacrifice despite the political situation in Haiti to be here, you know, to put in the work towards a better future for themselves. They have hoped, and I've seen it here, I feel it.
I am so excited because of one of my youth who come to this place, who go to Atlanta, Georgia, and come back to give some of his knowledge to the young people here in Cité Soleil. That is a supplement. That is something that come and build to what I believe, what I've been doing for the community, the youth in Cité Soleil.
Today, on the second day, we can actually see the potential of everyone, how they already, I can say, mastering the concept and being free and to try different things in JavaScript.
Une fois que nous recevons la formation, nous allons partager aussi avec les jeunes qui aiment ça que les technologies.
Formateur hier là dans les gens t'a fait activité, c'était vraiment satisfaisant parce que ils sont très patients comme formateur et ensuite ils aident nous et soit de près ou bien de loin.
We chose it to do it in Cité Soleil, and one of the reasons is because the opportunity that I didn't have when I was in Cité Soleil, those folks don't have it too. So we do it in Cité Soleil to give those folks an opportunity and to tell them, hey, there was somebody not too long ago that was in the same shoes that you are today, and this person is a successful person now coming back in Haiti to tell you that you can do this.